Welcome back. In this video again we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and name of that programming challenge is getting started with conditionals. In this programming challenge, if you have a small y or capital Y, we will display as yes, and if we have a small n or capital N, we will display as n. So let's start. Now first of all we will read input with the help of a read command. So I will give the variable name as input only, and after that we will pass an if logic. If logic will be something like that: if dollar input equal to small y, or here I will indicate or as -o, dollar input or it is capital Y, then echo yes, else echo no. So this is the command I have written for our programming challenge. Here I have taken input as a read, and after that I am checking with that input equal to y, small y, and or -o, dollar input equal to capital Y. If it is either of them it is true, it will print as a yes or no. Now let's test this. First of all, I am going to give the executable permission. And one more important thing, in this programming challenge, either it will take a small or capital Y, small or capital N, that's it. It will not take any other input, so we won't provide any other input. Okay, now I will give it a Y. Yes. Now what if capital Y? Yes. Now let's say small n. No. What about capital N? No. So our programming challenge successfully works. Now this is the end of the video. Again, in the next video we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenge of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching ADHYAN channel. And this programming practice I will upload it in the GitHub, and GitHub link I will give in the description section. Thank you.